Please have a seat. How about we pick up where we left off at the last session?
I just don't understand how many more times we're gonna do this.
We need to come to a place where you actually talk to each other.
But what is there to talk about? I don't get it. How long does it take to put an AI model into production? I have 12 of you guys.
You haven't even taken a look at the architecture and strategy documents that I sent you.
I was on a conference last week. We were hundreds of CEOs sitting there. One guy, he did it in 5 minutes. And he told us everything. So like he said, like if he comes to our company, he would do it by himself in a day.
Do you hear this? This is not realistic. What he did there is just a demo. You can't do like that in an enterprise system.
Demo, it worked. He said that he wrote, he asked us questions, and then he put it, and then he got the prompt out, and it was great.
I feel like you need to talk to each other. You need to find a common ground where you can talk about the value of what it is that you want to achieve.
I want AI model in production.
I want AI model in production.
So you're saying to me that it's going to take a longer time?
Yes, doing things right away takes a lot of effort, a lot of planning, and a lot of work. That's why we need to take it seriously. We can't just wing it. I want a plan. I want everybody to know what we're doing and what we're working on.
I feel like the two of you need to go to a place where all these different perspectives come into place. Have you heard of the Data Innovation Summit?
That is data. That's AI.
This is a place where AI practitioners of all kind come together. I think you should check it out.
Whoa, look at this. These are exactly the kinds of things you need to be going to.
And you.
All right, deal.
Deal.
See you there.
See you.